Oh shoot, okay.
What is this dirty moonshine of which you speak?
Okay, it's okay, so oh shoot, okay, hey guys. It's me, SurgeonJohnMC here. So today we're gonna play some Respawnables. So yeah, right now we're trying to one-hit sniper. I'm really bad. Oh, got you. Okay, so gunny number 2. Oh shoot. Okay, so we're gonna do 2 matches. We're gonna do one with the sniper and we're gonna do one with the machine guns. So yeah, make that one. I'll just test out new weapons I can do. So right now, so yeah. It's actually a good weapon because you can no scope. Oh shoot! Got him. This guy's trying to be a jag. No. 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 Mamma mia. No. Come on, no scope him already. Got you. Okay, so I'm trying to defend this whole horde of zombies. Not zombies, but okay, yeah. Doesn't make any sense, but okay. Okay, let's try to smooth out some of that. Oh shoot! I'm gonna do. Oh shoot! Got him. Oh. Yeah, hit me! I dare you. Yeah, hit me, baby, one more time. Okay, so, yeah. Ignore what I said. Got you. Okay, so, let's just keep going. So, okay, so, okay. Just keep going. So, okay, match just ended. So, I'm gonna go change. I'm gonna go change. So yeah, okay, so we're back with the guitar machine gun, and yeah. So personally, I like this gun better, but this gun, you know, personally I like this gun better because this thing can make you faster and all that stuff, and yeah. So let's just say this gun is kind of good, but the others. But this one, this isn't like one shot. This one's probably like 10 shots to kill. But okay, whatever. But still, in my opinion, this gun is still good because this gun is very fast. So yeah. So as you can see, we got some kills. So yeah. Feel free to like friends or something. Yeah, so yeah, and as you can see, I like this because it matches with the agility thingy. So right now these are the fastest agility things I can find. So I think the body has like 10, while the body has like 7, while the head has 5, and the pants have 6, but I'm not sure. Shoot, oh, that kind of hurts me here, so sweet, yeah, it's just gaudy. Okay, so yeah, just keep going and going and going and going and going. Look how this guy looks at me, okay, so ow, Mike, don't kill me. Mike, I told you not to kill me. Mike, I thought we made a truce. I thought we made a truce on Snapchat. I thought we made a truce. Looks like you broke that truce. So yeah, That was random, so got it. Okay, so yeah. If you guys want to see me, so right now we're finished. So right now yeah. If you guys want to see more weapon comparing, so today's gonna be like machine gun versus like sniper. So if you guys want more of this series, comment down below and subscribe, and tell me if you guys want more Respawnables, and tell me if you want something else. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and goodbye. Also, the reason I'm recording on movies is because my editors probably they took me like at least like an hour to do it, and it takes a lot of space. So I'm trying to figure out a way to get better editors. So yeah, right now I'll just stick with movies and yeah. So and then after I get that finished, I'll probably use a portable. So yeah, thank you.